Welcome to my channel. Today's home remedy DIY face wash. Take a bowl. Crumb flour 2 tablespoons. Sandalwood powder 2 tablespoons. Fuller's earth 1 tablespoon. White turmeric 1 teaspoon. Coffee 1 tablespoon. Mix well. Apply in this way. Now, DIY face wash powder is ready to use. Transfer in a container. Benefits of the product: deep cleansing, gentle exfoliation, brightens skin, cooling and soothing, help with acne-prone skin, improves skin texture. Always store in a glass container.